Are you having a college email address, or at least you're having a college ID card? In this video, by the end, I'll be able to help you to claim your Google Gemini Pro account for free. So this side Shubham here, you're watching Unzip Tech. Let me show you how it's done. So you just need to open any web browser. I have opened Edge web browser over here, and now I've just searched for the Google Gemini for students. Just click on the first link that will appear. No need to worry, I'll just leave this link in the description as well. You can just click on that link and you will be able to get redirected to this particular page. Now here you need to make sure that you claim this offer before 15 September. Now you just need to click on this get offer and it will ask you to need to first log in with your own personal email address. You can either log in with that or use your college email address, but I'll suggest you to go with your personal email address. So once you have created the Google Gemini account, after that you can go with the verification for your student ID. Now there you need to select the university or you need to select your college in that field. So once you have selected that particular college, after that what you can do is you can just go to do the student verification process, but sometimes it will not reflect very quick. So after that you also get an option to upload your student ID card, the ID card which you use as a proof. So you just need to take the photos of it, you just need to upload that photos, and once you have uploaded, it will take some 30 seconds to verify and very quickly it will be done. So that is the easiest way to do instead of doing with the email address. Okay, so once you have done that, you will be able to go to the auto pay option. Now this auto pay is mandatory, so you will get a QR. If you are doing a QR payment, you just select the QR option. After that, once you have scanned it using your Google Pay or any UPI app, I did it with Kotak 811 app and it did not work quite well, so I'll suggest you to go with the Google Pay itself and just turn on the auto pay. So 2 rupees will be deducted and which will be refunded back to you. It is just the steps for verification. Once that is done, after that, once you get the account, you can then later on cancel your auto pay as well. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to do. It is very simple and you will be able to claim all this offer. So this is the process how it's done, but there are some key points that you need to remember. So the first point is like this offer is valid till 15th of September 2025. This is not an official date by the Google, but yeah, I have read it somewhere on web. So that is the first thing. Then the second thing is like you need to cancel your auto pay, because after 1 year you will not be remembering the exact date, right, or the exact month at least. So what will happen, automatically you will be charged for that 1900 some amount is there, right, for monthly subscription. So you need to cancel that auto pay, then only you will not be charged in that month. You will be getting a reminder before few days as Google says, but still I'll suggest you to cancel that auto pay so that there is no problem caused for you at the end of the year. So this was all about the Google Gemini Pro account, how to claim the offer and all. So let me know in the comments if you're facing any difficulties. I'll be glad to help. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in some another video. Till then, bye bye.